never told you that you was beautiful. Brown cuticles, mind complex as a Rubik's Cube. What I do to you is treat you like a queen and chase the dream. Avoid the hate, we try and change. Black woman's love that's done the same.
Hola beautiful people, it's me, Penny Queen, and I'm back with another video. Today's video is going to be about these jumbo passion twists here. Yes, get into it. Oh, okay. She is feeling so boho chic right now with these twists. Alright, so I did these before with the spring twist hair and I love those too, but this hair is so like effortless curl. Like it's, ooh, this is some sexy hair. Okay, you have to try this style. This is like some super sexy hair. Like it, like it just speaks for itself how sexy it is. Like, you know how you get hair, it's like you get your hair done and you just like feel it. Like your hair makes you feel some type of way. Like this hair does it for me. It makes me feel sassy and sexy all at the same time. I don't know. But this is the hair that I use. I do want to mention before you watch the video. In the video, I showed that I only use 4, 5, 6 packs of hair. 4 of one and 2 of another. I end up having to go to the store and pick up another pack of hair. I had missed a braid. I don't know how I missed the braid, but I missed the braid in the back, so I had to get another pack of hair just for that one, and then I end up splitting my 2 side braids on the side into 2. In the video you'll see that this is 1 braid and this is 1 braid. I end up splitting it in half, as you can see, to get 2 braids here to give it a more fuller look in the front. I did all the same steps, you know, that I showed you in the video, so nothing changed there. I just had to get 1 more pack. So in total, I used 4, 5, 6, 7 packs of hair. 7 packs of hair. I'm not sure if I mentioned it in the video, but I do know each pack made roughly 5 to 6 twists. So each pack that you buy, just keep that in mind that it roughly makes about 5 to 6, you know, twists if you use what I use. If you use the same amount of hair that I use, you're roughly going to get about that many. Okay, so if you decide to dial it back on the amount of strands that you use per twist, then that's something different. Okay, so I'm not going to hold you long because I know y'all want to get into this style. I know y'all trying to be this sexy. Okay, I know y'all trying to get into this sexy. So without further ado, just keep watching.
Alright, what you would need is hair, clips, comb, latch hook, rubber band, and some moisturizer. This is my hair already pre-sectioned, rubber band, and twisted to the end. I'd rather have my hair twisted because it keeps the hair, you know, somewhat tamed inside the braid. Sometimes when the hair is not tamed, it does get frizzy down the braid. As the days go on, this hair can get frizzy. Again, this is the color in the back. I'm using the 1B. As I showed you, as you see, the hair comes sectioned already, and I use 3 sections per twist. So when you get the hair is already pre-separated, as you saw. I just take 3 of the ringlets for each twist. So you're going to take the latch hook, put it through your twist underneath the rubber band, latch it through, put it in, and stop. You're going to take one side's going to have a loop and one side's going to have loose hair. You're going to pull one side of the hair through the braid so it looks like that, and kind of make it kind of even at the end so that, you know, when you twist it, you won't have a lot of raggedy ends at the bottom. As you can see, I have 3 pieces, my hair and then the 2 crochet hairs, and then you braid it and then twist it up. That's it. When it's optional really to do this, you don't have to braid it first. You can just latch hook it through and then twist it together. But I felt that my hair was getting kind of loose at the roots when I did it that way, so I decided to do the braiding part first. And twisting is going to take a long time because this hair is 20 inches. Yes, 20-inch hair. Alright, so we're going to do the next one. You're going to take your latch hook and you're going to put it through the twist. You're going to put it underneath of the rubber band. I'm going to take my 3 pieces like this. And you're only going to pull one side through. Try to keep it as even as you can. And then see, you have 3 pieces. 1, 2, 3. And now you're going to braid it about 6 times. Sometimes I get carried away and braid it about 8, but just enough to secure it. And then you're going to start twisting. So you're going to turn from 3 strands into 2 strands. So you're going to put your hair in with one of the crochet pieces of hair. I hope I explained that well. I'm bad at explaining. And twisting is the part that takes the longest, I swear. And all in all, I believe this style took me about 3 hours, if not about 4. Look how long it is. To your butt. Alright, so this is where I use the colored hair. This is the 1B30. This is the different brand of hair. I also used the 3 pieces in the other. This hair was a little bit harder than the other hair. But they all is the same texture. Not texture, but same curl pattern. Put your latch hook through as such. You're going to leave one side with the loop, and then you're going to pull it through. Only one. Don't pull the whole thing through. Just one side. Like this. See? And then you're going to braid. You can try to hide your hair to blend it in when you do the twist. Some of it I did blend a little bit, but then the other part I was like, well, my hair is already that color, so it really didn't matter. But I did hide some of it. And sometimes I did do like the twist and roll method. You know how you twist the hair and then you twist it together. You twist it one direction and then you twist it the other direction. I did that on some of it. As you can see, I did it on this one to get it a little tighter, because sometimes they were becoming a little puffy. As you see, the black one back there is a little puffy, but to get rid of some of the puffiness, you can twist and twist. Twist the hair while you twist, if that makes any sense. See how it's smaller? All right, and we're done. Alright guys, you reached the end of this video, and as you can see, these large passion twists are a hit. Oh my god, I was nervous a little bit. I was like, normally passion twists get their fullness because of, you know, how many there are, because normally it's like a little braid and then a puffy twist. That's what gives it the look. And I was like, well, let me try some large passion twists, something that won't take that long to do, and you know, that's uber cute. So I did use a total of 5 packs of hair. I used all of the hair. This is the only strand of hair that is left. Done. Finito. That was it. So in the front, I did put the colored ones in the front because my hair is blonde. So I was like, well, let me put the blonde in the front, and I put the 1B in the back. But you can't really tell. I mean, it's not like, oh my god, because the color was a 1B30, so it wasn't like a drastic change when I added the color. This is what I have. This was super simple and super easy. Like when I first did patch the
spring twist, passion twist, whatever you want to call them, my hair was slipping, and it's probably also because I blow dried my hair. I did not blow dry my hair when I did these. I literally just put rubber bands in and twisted it up to keep my hair like together, to keep it from, you know, puffing up. Because if it was puffy, you don't want to see it. Like, I feel like when your hair is nice and tamed for the twist, you won't see your hair peeking through as much. Because that's what causes frizziness with the hair, is your hair getting wet and stuff. So to minimize that, I twist my hair first. So that's a plus. But I was also nervous about it being like super flat up in here, but it's really not. I mean, like, this hair is cute, and it's like really, really long. As you can see, it comes all the way down to, boom, my waist. I got some styles in mind for this. I know my last passion twist that I had, you all was asking me for styles and how I style my hair, but I had already taken them out by the time the video had actually came out for you all to say, hey, I want this, I want that. So this time I'm here for you. I am going to do a video on how I style my passion twist. I am going to try to bring you styles that you don't typically see with these, but hey, some of them will be replicated because you can't never go wrong with a top knot. You can't go wrong. That's always going to be a bomb style, but it is what it is. So I'm not going to hold you long. I hope the tutorial was easy to follow as usual. I mean, you know, I know some people do not like to use rubber bands in their hair, so a method that you can do is to braid your hair first. So if you put your hair in a braid instead of putting the rubber band at the root, your hair will also be tamed and already put together. You crochet it through the braid, and then you just braid and twist as such. So instead of the hair being already twisted, it's braided, so the hair is still one uniform cylinder. You get it? So you can also do that if you do not want to use rubber bands. I just typically like rubber bands because rubber bands are, for me, are easy to take out. If you go and watch my video that I have on how to take out rubber band hairstyles, it'll explain to you why I don't mind using rubber bands and how easy it is to get them out. Okay? So this is the end, and you already know what time it is. It's time to hit that like button, that subscribe button, and comment below. See you in the next one.